Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technology Glance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable suggested accounts notification on TikTok Lite. So let's get started. Firstly, open TikTok Lite app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next tap on three dots icon. Then tap on settings and privacy. After that, tap on notifications. Now scroll until you find email notification, then tap on it. Next you can see the option of suggested account. Turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can enable suggested account notification on TikTok Lite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.